Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, I am going to share the recipe of sculpture paste. For that purpose, I had used 1 cup of wall putty, half cup of acrylic paint. Here I had a use of white color, but if you have white color, go with that. And I had used 1 big tablespoon of wood glue, 1 tablespoon of gesso, and 1 tablespoon of silk fibers. Here I had already soaked them in water for half an hour, and now I am going to use them. And here you can see I had mixed white glue and wall putty. This is an older wall putty which is available at my home, and it is approximately 1 year old wall putty. So be careful. If you have older wall putty, it will take you a little bit more time while going to mix it, but anyhow um, it can be used. There's no issues if you are going to use an older wall putty for making sculpture paste. So on the other hand, if you want to use the new one, you are free to use that as well, but it will take a little bit more time to mix it, as it is getting a little bit more harder. So we have to make it smooth texture paste, and it takes me around about 5 minutes while going to mix glue and this wall putty. But anyhow, here I had mixed them. So after mixing these two ingredients, I will add the other ingredients. Like here I am going to add acrylic paint, and now I'm going to mix it. After mixing acrylic paint for 3 to 4 minutes, we will move towards mixing the gesso inside this liquid paste. Here I had to use ready-made gesso, and it's not homemade gesso. But if you want to make the gesso at home, here I would like to mention that I had already shared the recipe of gesso as well on my channel. Please check on my channel. And now I'm going to add the silk fibers. If you do not have these silk fibers, you can use the cellulose fibers from the baby diaper. That can also be used for this purpose. So here you can check the consistency. After adding the silk fibers, there are fibers in this paste, and which are giving really amazing result to our texture paste or the sculpture paste. So here are all the liquid ingredients which I had mixed. Now I am going to store this paste in a airtight jar, and you can store this liquid paste for a month, and when you are required, you can add the powder ingredient. So this is the best way to store the texture of the sculpture paste. So when we required, we can easily use this. We just have to add the plaster of paris in this, and here I had added the plaster of paris. You can add different acrylic paints of your choice and make the different colors of this sculpture paste, and you can use this for any purpose, for making the 3D paintings or the 3D sculptures. Or if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family members. Thanks for being part of this channel.